Welcome, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25, and in this video I will tell you what to do if your face unlock scanner doesn't recognize your face properly. So you'll have to set up a new face model for your device, so go to settings and select lock screen and AOD, then select screen lock and biometrics, confirm, and go to face recognition. And before you add a new face to your device, remove all the previous versions, and also use a dry towel to wipe the surface of the frontal camera of your device, just to make sure that you can clearly see yourself in it, and make sure that the lights in your room are set up properly. And when you're ready to begin, press continue, click register, and proceed by adding a new face model to your phone. And once you're done, let's also check if our device is up to date, just to make sure everything works properly and all the features are also up to date. So go back to settings, select software and update, and check if there are any updates to your device, and if there are any, then take your time and install them. Then restart your phone, and even if you don't have the updates pending, it's better if you restart your device, just to make sure that all the changes applied. So right now let's wait for the smartphone to restart. And once the phone is restarted, let's try to use our face to unlock it. And as you can see, everything worked smoothly. So thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.